Tonight we honor those who truly stood out and captured both the judges' ears and the audience hearts. Congratulations to the winners and to every participant who made this competition truly unforgettable. At this moment, I will be calling the top 5, and to those whose names will not be called, we extend our heartfelt thanks. And please, this is not the end of your journey. Please don't stop chasing your dreams. Your time will come in God's perfect time. Pasok sa top 5. Contestant number 1. Congratulations, Nickmar Ramirez. Another. Another pasok sa banga. It's contestant number 9, Evo Rapana. And the third of the 5 finalists. Hindi pa third place pang-5 pa lang, pang-tulo sa 5 na finalists. We have contestant number 5, Daryl Tamayo. Pira na lang. Duha na lang at ikaw yun. Contestant number 2, Chris Salivio. At sino sa palagay nyo ang huling makakapasok sa top 5? Number? Tama ka, dahil pasok, ikaw number 6. Joy Crystal Velasquez. Congratulations, maraming salamat po. Balik daw kayo sa taas. I would like to call in, of course, hindi pa yung award. Tatawagin ko pa lang. Hindi sabay yung award. 4th runner-up. Pag natawag ba ang pangalan ninyo, pupunta kayo doon sa table, kay Papay, kay Junjun, para kunin ang inyong cash prize. Para itong Miss Universe. 4th runner-up or 5th place goes to contestant number 9, Evo Rapana. Congratulations. Our 3rd runner-up or 4th place goes to contestant number. What's your bet? Come again? Ramirez. Pwede ba kayong maghawak kamay?
Congrats, sir!
And now for the second runner-up or third place. With an average of 96.17.
Grabe, kataas!
At ikaw yon. Contestant number 5. Daryl Tamayo. Ang unang kong tatawagin, usually sa mga pageant, ang unang tinatawag yung champion. So this time, I'll be calling first the champion. At kung sino ang hindi matawag, automatic first runner-up. Okay? Ang ating champion sa kantahan sa poblasyon 2026 with an average of 97.34. Congratulations! Contestant number! Sabay-sabay! Contestant number 6! And of course, our first runner-up with an average score of 96.59, Chris Alivio, contestant number 2. Second. May repeat performance ba? Meron? Okay. Congratulations and thank you very much.
Congrats!
Thank you so much and congratulations! Thank you, Sir Rene Atibagos.
Yes.
And congratulations
To the grand
our
champion.
2026 Kantahan sa Poblasyon Champion!
Ang Balberidera ng Puwi Camarines Sur, Crystal Velasquez!
Listen. Whew. Thank you so much po sa Board of Judges. Lalo-lalo na po kay Sir Fidel. Thank you so much sa pag-accommodate po sa amin. From the beginning.
Na-share ko na si Gigi.
Ayan. Sulit po yung pagod namin. Opo. Bali nung 15 pa po talaga kami dito. Ayan, inabutan na po kami ng bagyo. Yes, ayan. Thank you so much po kay Kapitan sa Barangay Kausi sa pang pag... Ano, naiiyak ako. Ayan, thank you so much po. Ayan. Palakpakan na muna po tayo dyan. Ayan. We could have it. Growing into a sea. You are my heart inside. At
Pagpertela ng Buhing Camarines Sur. Ayan.
Yay, thank you. Congratulations. And congratulations to all our winners and finalists. You have inspired us with your voices and dedication.
Once again, thank you to our judges, to our organizers and audience. This has been a truly unforgettable night of music. Good evening, everyone. Happy Fiesta!
Happy Fiesta!
Poblacion Palanas!
Viva Señor Santo Niño! Viva Señor!
Yes, and I am Mr. Mark Louis Ramirez Cuevas.
And this is Karen Ramirez Talupinas.
And we are now turning over the microphone
Yes.
to our barangay officials for the rave party with DJ Dave Cole.
Padayon ang kasadyan!
Mabuhay!